Hi everyone, a lot of you seem to like operational videos and I've been meaning to do this one for quite some time, finally got a chance to do it. So this is what we would do every time we bring a coach back into the yard at the end of a shift. Okay, so we're here in the toilet cubicle area. What matters at the moment is this lever here. So to dump the toilet, we turn the lever, press the button and then jump back quickly while it empties. And then once it's empty, we can close the lever, push the button again, you hear it close, and then we're going to fill these two pipes, which are the pipes for the fresh water for the hand sink and the flush for the toilet. That pipe, this one here, the orange, is a tank flush, so if you follow it down, all it does is go straight into the tank, so you use that to flush the tank. And then these other two white pipes down here, the big ones, they are drain offs for the two freshwater tanks, so they to drain the freshwater tanks. And the other thing, this one here is the water storage for the boiler, so that I use for cleaning, so we just have to fill that one as well. The only reason I use two different hoses here is because one has the end fittings for the filling and the other one's just a plain end that I can poke in the top of the water tank. And that is the flap for the toilet. That's by the back door. On this side of the coach, we're just going to close that down. Now we're on to fueling, and as you can see, these Mercs have both the diesel and the AdBlue in the same location, which makes life nice and easy. So we're going to fill those up next. Every coach has on its key bunch a tag that identifies it's the fuel management system. And what I'm doing here is I've scanned the tag so it knows which vehicle. I have to put in the mileage and then my own PIN number, so that then identifies it as me that's fueling it, and then that authorises the pump to start. And it's exactly the same process for AdBlue as well, and let's just fill them like you would do any vehicle after that. Then next it's just shunt the coach from the fuel bay next door onto the wash bay. Our yard manager gets an all-purpose cleaning solution, and this bucket has that just diluted in some water that we use for cleaning. And I give the windscreen a good, clean over and get any bug splats, any dirt and that kind of stuff off of it. Just by virtue of the way the bus wash works, which you'll see shortly, it doesn't clean the bulk of the windscreen too well. I'm not going to go into it, a bit technical, but anyway. So I give the windscreen a good clean. I will also clean the front and also do the wheels, keep them nice and shiny. So do all that before it goes into the wash. Obviously this footage continues to be sped up. The full wash process takes around 7 to 8 minutes. bit of clean shiny coach porn for you, and the final job is to park her up somewhere sensible. Well, okay guys, I hope you found that interesting. I don't think I've given away any company secrets. I certainly hope not. I think it's all pretty bog standard stuff for almost all coach companies who have the same sort of facilities as we do. But okay, so there we go guys. Please, as always, like, subscribe. Come and find me on Instagram at RibyRobinVideos. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of our processes. Is it perfect? No, but it's perfectly good enough, and I'm sure there are other coach companies who do it differently to us, and every way is good and whatever works for them. But cool guys, please drive safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.